Virtually staged. Welcome to modern Tampa, living in this stunning 2021 built home offering over 2,500 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space in the heart of town and country. Combining contemporary style with everyday functionality, this spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bath residence features an open-concept floor plan, soaring ceilings, abundant natural light, and quality finishes throughout. The beautifully appointed kitchen is the centerpiece of the home, complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, abundant cabinetry, and a large center island that seamlessly connects to the living and dining areas, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Whether you're hosting gatherings or enjoying a quiet evening at home, this inviting layout offers the ideal balance of comfort and style. The spacious primary suite serves as a private retreat, featuring a generously sized bedroom, an ensuite bath, and a private balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. 2 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms provide plenty of space for family or guests, while the versatile den/home office is ideal for remote work, a playroom, fitness space, or creative studio. Situated on a desirable corner lot, this home offers modern construction with the peace of mind and energy efficiency that today's buyers are looking for. Conveniently located just minutes from Tampa International Airport, downtown Tampa, West Shore Business District, International Plaza, shopping, dining, entertainment, major highways, and Florida's award-winning Gulf beaches, you'll enjoy easy access to everything the Tampa Bay area has to offer. If you've been searching for a spacious, move-in ready home with modern finishes, flexible living spaces, and an unbeatable Tampa location,